Here I have Realme C21, and today I'm going to show you how to get the iPhone keyboard on this device, like iOS keyboard. So what you have to do is to just download the app Keyboard for iPhone 12 iOS keyboard. Then you have to open it. Grant all the permissions it requires here. Then enable this keyboard. Then switch it. And now you can use this keyboard. Here you can select languages, for example, let's set Japanese and Hebrew, Greek. And now let's try to write something down on this keyboard. And as you can see, now I have like my iOS keyboard, and I can write in Greek symbols here. Here you can change its languages. Here you can change its style. Like right now I have the light black, but you can set this black orange. And as you can see, now I have this kind of keyboard here. You have all the iOS emojis here. You can change some of the settings here too. And that's it. That's all about this keyboard. Fire Tiger, wow. Very, very stylish keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.